Welcome to the apartment tour for the Hagelin support team. As you enter the apartment, you step into the kitchen facing the living room. During their downtime, team members will often work on their homework or other projects at the kitchen table. For my meals, I generally sit at the edge of the kitchen counter. Otherwise, I'm working on a variety of projects at my desk. We have Wi-Fi and a printer available for team members. Next, as we go down the hallway, the first room on the left is the team room. During their downtime, if team members need a quieter space for reading, homework, or other personal projects, they generally come into the team room. Also, this is where team members sleep during the overnight shifts. The next room to the left from the hallway is my bedroom. I have a semi-adjustable bed and a Hoyer lift to transfer me to and from my bed and wheelchair. Across the hall from my room is the bathroom, which is pretty standard.